Hello everyone! Today, we're back with new papercrafts design ideas. You can create beautiful designs using just an A4 paper. First, cut the paper into a square. Then, fold it diagonally. Fold both sides towards the center slightly as a guide, and cut off the excess paper. Now, use a pencil to draw any creative design you like, and then trace it with a bold pen so it is clearly visible in the video. Carefully cut along the lines of your design. Wow, look at that amazing design! Try it out and let us know in the comments.
Creating paper folding and cutting designs, art of paper folding, origami, with careful cutting to create intricate designs. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. Materials needed. Paper, start with lightweight paper, such as origami paper or printer paper. As you gain experience, you can experiment with thicker or patterned paper. Scissors or craft knife, sharp scissors or a precision craft knife, like an X-Acto knife, for detailed cuts. Cutting mat, to protect your work surface when using a craft knife. Ruler, for measuring and making straight folds and cuts. Pencil, for sketching your design and marking folds. Bone folder or back of a spoon, to make crisp, clean folds. Basic steps. 1. Choose or create a design. Simple designs, start with simple patterns, such as snowflakes or basic geometric shapes. As you become more skilled, move on to more complex designs. Templates, you can find free templates online, or draw your own. 2. Prepare your paper. Square paper, many origami designs use a square piece of paper. If your paper isn't already square, measure and cut it to the correct dimensions. Crease lines, lightly draw lines where you will make folds and cuts. After carefully unfolding the paper to reveal the design.